What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got your boy B Cabral, Juanito, and Zaku here today, and we're gonna be talking about his 2012 Subaru WRX. It's currently Christmas Eve, and it's snowing outside. We're gonna have some fun in this baby. Woo. Alright guys, I just want to get a little bit into what he has done to the car and his experiences with it, and yeah, let's come check it out.
I had this car for a little bit, about over a year now. It's been a hell of a ride.
Hell of a ride.
What do we have? Misfires in every cylinder when we first got her. But now we got her into a pretty good standing point.
Very good state. She's in a good state right now, running very healthy.
Very healthy. We got Injen Intake. We got Koyorad Radiator.
Ooh, Koyorad Radiator.
Still
this
covered
is
up
definitely
right
a mod
now,
that I'd like to do on the STI for sure.
Definitely helps. What?
For sure.
174 coolant temps,
Yeah.
176.
Coolant temps stay really
right
nice in
through
this thing.
pulls all the way. Grimmspeed top mount intercooler. It gets still a little heat soak. It's not as great as a front mount intercooler, but it still had what, another like 15-20 ponies.
Oh, for sure, yeah, 15-20 ponies easy from the top mount. Definitely a little bit easier to install as well.
Yeah, it was. We did it ourselves right here.
Yeah.
That was nice. Then we also put on the COBB blow-off valve. It's a blow-off valve and a bypass valve. It's pretty much does both. It recirculates and an atmospherical.
That's sick.
That goes right on easily, bolts right on.
That's very sick. Grimmspeed boost controller.
That was easy to do as well. We did that here. IAG AOS. That's the competition series, not the street series one. So it's fully atmospheric as well. Doesn't recirculate any oil into your throttle body and intake manifold. It gets it right out of the system.
Very clean. Keeps the car running much healthier for sure.
We also did.
What do you got for exhaust, brother?
It's Grimmspeed downpipe.
Grimmspeed downpipe.
With the divorce wastegate.
Divorce wastegate, okay.
And then we about to change to an NVIDIA Catback, but right now we have a Greddy Catback.
Greddy Catback. And you're about to go to an N1, correct?
Yes,
NVIDIA N1.
NVIDIA N1.
Sweet.
I cannot wait to do that one. It's just a single tip, 4-inch tip, 3.5-inch mid pipe.
Oh yeah.
No resonator. It is the street version, non-resonated.
Non-resonated. No
thing's gonna be rumbling.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be rumbling like a fuck for sure.
We also did a Perrin PitchStop mount, like the STI, just black.
Perrin PitchStop mount, very clean, very clean.
We got the TGV Deletes. IAG TGV Deletes. There. You can see them a little bit better over here.
Yeah, you can see them a little better over there too. Oh shit! Snow inbound.
Yo yo.
Yo yo.
Juan, you hopping in?
So the Subie currently has 139k miles on it. I don't know if you guys can peep that, but she got 139k. What'd you actually buy this thing with?
We got it at 122,000 miles.
122k. Holy shit, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, so it's been running as good. The first 10,000 miles me driving it was misfires, and I couldn't really take it up over like 4k RPMs in any gear, or you would just feel a buck, and it would throw a 301, 302, 303 and a 304 misfire code. You know, it was misfiring every single cylinder, which never really made any sense. So we never really knew what was causing it. We tried doing ignition coils, spark plugs.
The basics on a misfire on a Subaru.
We did cheap ignition coils, and then we weren't confident that that fixed it, so we had to do another set of Subaru OEM coils. And then after that, we were still misfiring, and we were forced to do a full engine harness because we noticed that most of the wiring from the ignition coil packs were all chewed up.
Okay, so you did the full engine harness.
And that was a tough job.
Yeah, that for sure, for sure.
It was a lot of money to do that.
And it still didn't fix the misfires.
No, it did not. That was a big disappointment. We took the car out after waiting like 3-4 months to get the engine harness done. It still misfired. So after doing that, we went into the MAF and noticed that one of the MAF wires that was supposed to be shielded weren't shielded. And every time we would actually shake that MAF wire, the whole car would just stall and die out. So we went speed density and cut out the MAF pretty much. And speed density is just when you're rerunning your intake temp wires to your intercooler, and it picks up your intake manifold temperatures and not the intake temps from your box, like the air box. So if you change like a cone or like a new intake cone, all those temps that are coming from your air box is not true temps, and you pretty much need to do speed density anyways. So that was pretty much the things that we've done to get the car to a good standing point.
Good standing point, and
now it's not misfiring.
Now it's not misfiring. The car's running nice. It's pulling nice. Made good power on the dyno. It feels good. You got new tires. Brand new Falcon tires, right?
Yes, the Falcon series.
Falcon series. Highly recommended.
The power stop geometric coated brakes.
Power stop geometric coated brakes. Very nice. Very nice.
There.
That's awesome. Now the car's running mint. Put 17K miles on it. Made good power.
Next is what? STI training.
STI training next.
So we want to do headers, fuel. Should be able to handle it. We did a compression test after all the misfires before we did a little more power, and the compression test came back fine. No worries there.
Yeah, no worries there. Motor's in good condition.
So
cylinders are looking good.
Still confident to push a little more power out of it.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Slap that STI tranny on, and then we can push some more fuel and maybe even a turbo.
Nice
for sure.
FP blue.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, but it's really safe to you. Especially when you have Danny's car. The FA.
Push does hit you.
It's okay. Alright, moment of truth, boys.
We're currently trying to look for a spot to do some clean drifts at.
All goes.
All right, guys, so fast forward a few days, and hopefully everybody had a happy holiday and a Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed Zach's 2012 Subaru WRX that made 285 wheel horsepower and 305 torque. Hopefully, we're gonna be installing some of this stuff soon, some cosmetic stuff. Gonna be nice, gonna be good content coming soon. So yeah, appreciate everybody, and if you could like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. Subie fam out.